Hello again, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to 3-Day Weekend. Chris here again today. And today we're going to do an oil change on a 97 Dodge Intrepid, our daily driver. Just getting it for fuel economy. We named it Herb. But if I do the oil change, that's kind of boring. I mean, it's a 23-year-old car. Who cares? But instead, I'm going to have my 9-year-old do it for you. So he's going to tell you how we're doing this oil change today. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
So first we're gonna start draining the oil with this 16mm wrench. If I can get up there. So now while we're just letting it sit. So the oil is almost done leaking, so I guess we might as well just put the drain plug back in. If I get up in there. Go and just like so. Once it's on there pretty tight, we'll just quickly clean off all that. And now let's get to the oil filter. Oil filter is going to be buried way into here. Really in there. So let's grab a tool. Here it is. Tool. See if we can get that up on there. Come on. There, I think I have it on there good. Let's grab a long extension. So we're gonna move the drain over for in case if some oil leaks out while I'm doing this. And also we have one of the very long extensions. See if we can do something. But I think it's gonna leak out like right there. Okay, let's get to it.
There you go.
I need to get up in there again. There we go. Come on, we're off again. There it goes. Oh, so slippery. Well, there it is. Oil's done. Just fell off.
That might not have been the right way to do it. I would have picked it up and placed it in the bucket. But you got the job done.
Yep.
All right.
So this Intrepid takes 5 quarts of 10W30 oil, and it takes a frame pH 16. So first we want to get this open. then you want to take out the new oil filter. Like, carefully get it out. Like that. Brand new oil filter. So you want to get some oil around this little part. So then you put oil all around this outer piece. Then once you do that, you want to set the light. So after that, you'll set this back in place where the old one was. If I can get it up in there. There it goes. Just do it on as tight as you can. Then you want to take this rag and you want to get whatever leaked out of the oil on the old oil filter. So now we're going to let the car down and fill it up with oil. So now we're going to lift the hood and put in oil. If I can find the clip. Right here. Go. So now that's up. Oil's right here. Out top. So now we're gonna grab the funnel, put it in its place, dump it in, like so. Green. So now, grab the funnel, put the washcloth right here, and like so, just pull it out. So now since we've got all our oil in, we'll just put the oil lid back in. So now since we got all the oil in, we're gonna run the car for a few seconds and check the oil. Make sure nothing's on, everything's off, and just start it. Now check the oil. Okay, so now pull the dipstick out. So then you're gonna clean it. Then put it back in. And it won't go on. Put it back in. Pull it out again. Check it. It looks pretty much on the safe side. So wipe it off. Put it back in. And there you go. up the hood. And now we're done.
So there you go. That's how you change the oil in a 23-year-old car, according to a 9-year-old. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching 3 Day Weekend.